Hi girls, how are you? Welcome to my channel Culinary Classics. Today I will teach you how to make the tahina with easy way and suitable things in the home. Continue the video to know how we will make it. We will need for tahina yogurt, lemon juice, garlic, cumin with salt and water. If you want to make it thick, you can remove the water, but when it will enter the fridge, it will be thick little. Now we will add everything in the mixer and you will start to mix. And maybe tomorrow I will upload video on how to make the raw tahina. We will make the tahina liquid at home. And now we will start to mix them in the mixer and come back. Now we got the tahina. I will fill it in a plate and I will come back. And here we finish. We got the tahina, and if you have any question you can ask it in the comments and I will answer you. And also don't forget to share the video for all your friends to see and make the same tahina. And don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, write your comment and share the video. Bye, see you in the next video.